Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from depression with Talkspace, full guide step by step clearly. If you are struggling with depression, seeking help is a crucial first step. Talkspace offers a convenient and effective way to connect with licensed therapists online. Begin by visiting the Talkspace website or downloading the app on your mobile device. Create an account by providing your email address and setting up a secure password. Once registered, you will be prompted to answer questions about your mental health. These questions help match you with a therapist who specializes in your needs. Take your time to fill out the questionnaire honestly for the best results. After submitting your information, you will be matched with a licensed therapist. Review the profiles of potential therapists to find one that resonates with you. Once you select a therapist, you can begin scheduling your sessions. Talkspace provides flexibility with options for text, audio, or video therapy. Choose the mode of communication that feels most comfortable for you. Attend your sessions regularly to maintain progress. Be open and honest during your conversations for the most beneficial experience. You can also message your therapist between sessions for ongoing support. Utilize additional resources like self-help content available on the platform. Monitor your mood and progress through journaling or using the built-in tools. Practice self-care alongside therapy to enhance your recovery. Engaging in healthy habits like exercise, proper nutrition, and sleep is important. Take note of your triggers and work with your therapist to develop coping strategies. Set realistic goals based on your personal journey to track your improvements. Be patient with yourself as recovery may take time. Celebrate small achievements to motivate yourself on this path. Stay committed to your therapy sessions for sustained growth. Remember, reaching out for help is a sign of strength. Embrace the process and trust that recovery is possible with the right support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.